Lola, I think people want to know what you think about the current situation in the world. What do you think about all the nonsense that's going on? Okay. What about Clarice? Clarice, what do you think? Got any ideas? No? What about Team Duck? Hey, Ducks. What do you guys think about what's going on? Huh? What do you guys think about what's going on with all this nonsense? What? What do you think? Should people be acting crazy like they are? All right. Thank you. Justin? You're up. What do you think? Oh, wait, the ducks got more to say. What about it, ducks? Huh? Oh. Justin, what do you think about all the stuff that's going on? Lola, it's back to you. Time to end the interview. Any last words? Huh? What do you think? You sure? Oh, okay. I agree with you.